students, this is Sir Gaurdiman again welcomes you all in our Path Maths Online classes. My dear students, we have already started the topic conic section in the last video, and in that topic we have started the circle as well. So circle के बारे में बच्चों हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं, इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल क्या होती है और जनरलाइज फॉर्म क्या होती है इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल के लिए. एंड टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिराइव हाउ कैन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल. So in the last video we studied that the equation of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, which is the standard form of the equation of circle. This is standard form. And also we studied about the generalized form given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is your generalized form of the equation of circle. Now from where it came, let me discuss. For that, let us consider a circle. This is a circle with center O having coordinates h comma k, and let's see if this is p1, this is p2, this is p3, this is p4. Whatever the point lying on the circle will have the same distance from this point O, and this is denoted by OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4. Whatever the points are lying on the circle will have the same distance from the center, and this is denoted by R-let. Now to find the equation of circle we need a variable point. Let P is any variable point having coordinates x comma y. Then OP will also, then the magnitude of this OP will be your R, because the length of this OP is your R. So let me find this length OP by using distance formula, and which is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square under the root is equal to R. So by squaring we will get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this is the standard form of the equation of circle, in which center is your h comma k and the radius will be your r. Now let me find the generalized form. General form के क्या करेंगे, इसको generalize करना है. Only just open the braces by using identities. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is equal to r square. Or simply this can be written as x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square, and this is equal to minus r square is equal to 0. So this can be replaced by your x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where your g is equal to minus of h and f will be your minus of k, and c is given by h square plus k square minus r square only. So this is the generalized form of the equation of circle. This is the standard form of equation of circle. So this is the way in which we can derive the standard form and the generalized form of equation of circle. So based on these equation of circles, let me do the question number 10, because 9 question already we have done in the last video. So let's see the question number 10, and which states that, first of all just read the question number 10, what it states. Question number 10 states that we need to find the equation of a circle passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5 whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. So condition is that जो equation of circle आप निकालना चाहते हैं बच्चों, वो उसके center आपका एक given line पर lie करने ज़रूरी है. So let's see this, if this is the equation of the line given to you, 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0 or is equal to 16, then circle should be such like that its center should lie on this line. So circle के center इस line पर lie करने चाहिए. दूसरा this circle is passing through the point 4, 1 and your 6, 5. This is your 4, 1 and 6, 5. You can take 4, 1 and 6, 5 as a point through which the line circle is passing. Center is passing through the line. So because the points is given to you, we require the center and the radius for the equation of a line, equation of a circle. Equation of circle लिखने के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए बच्चों? सेंटर जो चाहिए और साथ में रेडियस चाहिए, और रेडियस निकाल सकते हैं अगर आप इस पॉइंट से लेकर इस पॉइंट के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकाल लें तो आपको रेडियस आ सकता है, लेकिन पहले मुझे सेंटर की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो लेट दिस पॉइंट इज ए हैविंग सेंटर h, k. सो लेट सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल इज योर h, k. और अगर सेंटर h, k है, सबसे पहली बात, क्योंकि ये सेंटर लाइन पर लाई करते हैं तो लाइन की इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. सेटिस्फाई करने का मतलब होता है वी कैन पुट x इज इक्वल टू h एंड y इज इक्वल टू k इन द गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज 4h प्लस k इज इक्वल टू 16. दिस इज नंबर 1. नाउ लेट्स सी, let this point is B and this point is C, then AB and AC, they will be equal to each other because both are the radii of the circle. Now AB and AC both are equal to each other, implies h minus 6 whole square plus k minus 5 whole square under the root will be equal to h minus 4 whole square, k minus 1 whole square under the root. By taking squaring both sides, by doing squaring over both sides, we can replace the square root, so they will cancel out like this on squaring both sides. So implies a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, again a square plus b square minus 2ab. I have just open the terms by using identities. H square will cancel out, k square will cancel out. Take all the terms from the one side. This is minus 12h minus 10k minus 8h will come on the left hand side, will be your plus 8h. This is plus 2k and is equal to 16 plus 1, and this is minus 36 minus 25. Implies minus 4h and minus 8k will be equal to how much? This is your I think this is your 36 minus 20 minus 45 and minus 44. And by taking 4 common on the left side, or by dividing minus 4 on the whole equation, this will be your h plus 2k is equal to 11. Or we can remain same as, क्योंकि this is plus 4h, this is minus 4h. It's your choice. This is second equation. Let it is third. Now we have the two equation in the form of h and k. हमें बच्चों h और k की फॉर्म में लीनियर इक्वेशन मिल गई हैं, दो h और k की फॉर्म में. So by elimination method or the substitution method, we can find the value of h and k by using equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 और 2 ले लेते हैं. This is 4h plus k is equal to 16. This is minus 4h minus 8k is equal to minus 44, will give as, this is your minus 28. So k will be your 4. The value of k is 4. Now by using the value of k in any of the equation, this is, let me use first equation. So 4h plus 4 is equal to 16, 4h is equal to 12, h will be your 3. So it's clear that the center is your 3, 4. Center now is clear. I need only the radius. So radius के लिए क्या करेंगे? Radius r is given by the distance between a and b, and which is your 6 minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 4 whole square under the root which is given by 9 plus 1 under root which is your root 10. So the equation of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again using identity, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 10, or x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, and this is your 25, and this is your plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle which is passing through the given 2 points 6, 5 and 4, 1 and having center on the given line. So this was the question number 10, and dear students, the question number 11 is same as the question number 10 was. So again the question is given that the circle is passing through the given 2 points and it is have a center on the given line. So this is same and you have to do by yourself. The question number 10, 11 is your homework. Now we will do the question number 12. Let's do the question number 12. First of all, read the question number 12. मैं हमेशा आपको बोलता हूँ पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ो और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन समझो. जब तक स्टेटमेंट आपको बच्चा आपको क्लियर नहीं होगी तो क्वेश्चन करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. सो लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 स्टेट्स दैट फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल वूज रेडियस इज 5. बच्चों एक काम तो आपको यहाँ दे दिया है, आपके लिए बड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो गया. क्वेश्चन की रेडियस की वैल्यू गिवन है, रेडियस 5 है. सेंटर लाइज ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस, ये भी अच्छी बात है कि सेंटर एक्स एक्सिस पे है. इट मीन्स वाई कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 0 एंड द पासिस थ्रू द पॉइंट 2,3 और वन मोर पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो दिया. बहुत कुछ दिया इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर. दिस इज योर लेट एक्स एक्सिस इज देयर, वाई एक्सिस देयर. दिस इज योर सर्कल हैविंग सेंटर एज योर a, 0. Let me take a, 0 or h, 0. It's your choice. Let me take h, 0 because we are using h and k always. So h, 0 is the center because this is not, center is not given to you, but it is given that the center is lying on the x axis. So अगर x axis पे lie करते हैं तो हमेशा जो x axis पे point होता है वो that is always in the form of a, 0, h, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. So this point is, let me take as h, 0. It is also given that the radius of the circle is your 5 unit. This is 5. And this is your passing through a point 2,3 as well. Let this point is 2,3. So this distance is also 5. This distance from the center is 5. This is given to you. Point we need. उसके लिए डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं सिंपल, क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ h की वैल्यू निकालनी है. रेडियस आपको दिया हुआ है, k आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन है 0. सो आई रिक्वायर्ड ओनली h. सो वी कैन अप्लाई द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला और द रेडियस of the circle. This is given by, let this point is AB. So as AB is equal to 5 is given to you, and AB can be found by 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square under the root is equal to, squaring both sides, this is 4 plus h square minus 4h plus 9 is equal to 25, given as your h square minus 4h. This is minus 4 and 9 is 13, 13 और 25 करेंगे तो this is 12 is equal to 0. तो 6 and 2 we can split the middle term by taking 6 and minus 6 and 2. ऐड करेंगे तो minus 4 मिलेगा, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो minus 12 आएगा. So this is given by h square minus 6h plus 2h minus 12 is equal to 0, and h is common, so h minus 6, 2 is common, h minus 6 is equal to 0, implies h minus 6 and h plus 2 is equal to 0. This will give you h as 6 and minus 2. So dear students, though two equations of circle can be obtained by taking h is equal to 6 and h is equal to minus 2. So the equation of circle will be given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this is x, first case, whenever h is 6, given by x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 25, because 5 square is 25. The implies x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square is equal to 25, or simply x square plus y square minus 12x. and your plus 11 will be equal to 0. The equation of circle where h is your plus 6. Now let me take whenever h is minus 2, this will be given by x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square, implies x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square is minus 25 is equal to 0. और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो x square plus y square plus 4x and minus 21 will be 0. So these are the two equations of circles which may be or having center on the x-axis and radius 5 unit, and which will pass through the point 2, 3 as well. So my dear students, this was the question number 12, and now let me do the question number 13 for all of you. And first of all, just you should have to read the question number. This was the question number, I think this was your 12 number question, and equation of 12 number question is your this one. So now let's see the question number 13. Very good question. Question number 13, again we have read the question number 13. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया बच्चों, देखिए इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल निकालनी है, वो जो कि ओरिजिन से पास करती है, साथ साथ में इंटरसेप्ट क्रिएट किए हुए हैं a और b ऑन द कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. दिस इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. दिस इज योर लेट दिस इज योर x एक्सिस, दिस इज योर y एक्सिस, एंड द सर्कल इज देयर विच इज पासिंग थ्रू योर. This is something like this is a point a comma 0, and this is your 0 comma b, and this is your 0 comma 0. This is equation of circle which is passing through origin 0 comma 0, making intercept on the x-axis as a comma 0, making intercept on the y-axis at 0 comma b. We need to find the equation of circle. और equation of circle निकालने के लिए मुझे चाहिए center और radius. सेंटर चाहिए मुझे, रेडियस चाहिए. तो सेंटर के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं, लेट्स ज्वाइन दिस वन एंड दिस वन. द सेंटर इज देयर, दिस इज योर ओ पॉइंट एंड दिस इज द सेंटर. सेंटर मीन्स बाय ज्वाइनिंग 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर will always be your the center of the circle. So we can find the center by using midpoint formula. ये diameter बन जाएगा. Let's see, this is the point A and this is the point B, and this is already O. So O is the midpoint of AB. So it implies O can be obtained by your formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So dear students, coordinates of can be obtained by 0 plus a by 2 comma b plus 0 by 2, and this is your a by 2 comma b by 2. So center of the circle is given by a by 2 comma b by 2. We need to just find the radius, and radius can be obtained by distance formula. आप O से A पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस भी, दिस इज योर D पॉइंट से A की डिस्टेंस भी निकाल सकते हैं, D से B की भी निकाल सकते हैं, और D से O के भी निकाल सकते हैं. और D और O के डिस्टेंस निकालना वेरी easy because one point is already 0, 0. So OD will be given by, which is nothing but the radius is given by a by 2 minus 0 whole square plus b by 2 minus 0 whole square under the root. This is your a square by 4 plus b square by 4 under the root, and this is your a square plus b square under root by 2. So this is the radius, this is the center, and the equation of circle is given by x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus b by 2 whole square is equal to r square. R square कौन है, a square plus b square under root by 2 whole square. Now just open the braces. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is a square plus b square by 4. So after simplification this can be written as x square by a square by 4 minus ax plus y square plus b square by 4 minus by is equal to, separate the terms. On the right hand side this is a square by 4 plus b square by 4 and both will be cancelled out with the given term. So this is your x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle which is passing through the point 0 0, making intercept on x-axis as a0, making intercept on y-axis 0 comma b. So this is the solution for the equation for the question number 13. And my dear students, now the question number 14 and 15 are your homework, because these are the question, very easy questions, you can do by yourself. Just see the last question. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में कहता है कि एक पॉइंट गिवन है आपको और हमें चेक करना है कि गिवन सर्कल जो भी है, गिवन इक्वेशन सर्कल इज ऑल्सो देयर, तो इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल से ये पॉइंट इनसाइड होगा, आउटसाइड होगा या ऑन द पॉइंट होगा. फॉर दैट व्हाट विल यू डू? लेट्स सी, दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल गिवन टू यू. एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 25. इट मीन्स द सेंटर इज 0 0. अगर आप कंपेयर करें दिस इक्वेशन को विद द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल, जहाँ पर एच और के 0 0 है, सेंटर 0 0 है, रेडियस इज 5. सो यू हैव टू टेक द गिवन पॉइंट एज योर, दिस पॉइंट इज योर माइनस 2.5 कॉमा 3.5. सो इस पॉइंट से मुझे चेक करना है दिस पॉइंट, वेदर दिस पॉइंट ए इज लाइंग इनसाइड, आउटसाइड और ऑन द सर्कल. सो उसके लिए क्या करिएगा बच्चों, ओ पॉइंट से लेकर और ए पॉइंट के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालिएगा. इफ ओ इज योर ग्रेटर देन रेडियस, ग्रेटर देन 5, then it is lying outside. If O is your less than 5, then it is your inside, and if OA is equal to 5, then this is on the circle. So in this way you can do the question number 15 as well, and this is all about your exercise 11.1. In the next video we will discuss about the next topic, which is your parabola. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.